Welcome learners, and today we are going to learn about the entrepreneurship essential in hospitality and tourism industry. And first unit is innovation in hospitality industry, the integration of assistant and machine learning, augmented reality as the way of the future, outsourcing in increasing rapidly, biometric technology for increased security and efficiency, using hotel technology instead of personal garages. And next topic is entrepreneurship in hospitality. First one, travel agency, hotel or B&B, pub or nightclubs, coffee shop, advantage tourism, shuttle or taxi services, kayak or boat tourist, translations, souvenirs, beach activities, and bodyguards. And next topic, contribution of entrepreneurship to the society. First one, donation. Second, charitable institutions. Third, sponsorship. Fourth, welfare programs. Fifth, advisors to respective government. Next one is opportunity perspective. We have the long-term career development. Next one is hospital in industry. The hospital industry includes the companies or organizations which provide food or drink or accommodation to people who are away from home. Hospitality industry can be divided into 5 careers: accommodation, food and beverage service, recreation and entertainment, transportation and travel services. Providing service to the people worldwide. Examples of entrepreneurs creating small business that becomes a big business. The 8 sectors in tourism: one is accommodation, second adventure tourism and recreation, third attractions, fourth events and conferences, fifth food and beverage service, sixth tourism services, seventh transportation, eighth travel trade. Next topic is qualities needs for an entrepreneur in hospital industry. And there are several points is there. One is initiative, wide knowledge, willingness to assume risk, open mind and optimistic outlooks, adaptability, self-confidence, leadership qualities, working towards hard work. And next topic is the procedure to be followed in starting a new venture. And they have several points is said. First one is idea, planning, teamwork, investment, trends, resource, strategy, and products. And we have the advantages and disadvantages of starting a new businesses. There are several points in the advantages and several points in disadvantages. Independence, side section, no baggage. It's from advantages. And disadvantages is just high commitment, high risk, delayed profitability, and limited financing. The risk of entrepreneurship and mitigation of risk. And there are several points is there. High level of stress, risk of failure possible, setback, potential loss of income, long and irregular hours, need to handle multiple tasks, need for self-discipline. We have some first one is risk identification, risk analysis, risk migration planning, risk migration plan implementation, risk tracking. And next topic is unit 2. Tourism is a new opportunity. We have a lot of tourism opportunities there. Adventure tourism, wildlife tourism, culture tourism, pilgrimage tourism, ecotourism, and medical tourism is a lot of opportunities there. And different competitive factors and performance objective. One is low prices, high quality, fast delivery and reliable delivery, innovative product and services, wide range of product and services, the ability to change the time, the quality product and the services. In this, the performance objectives is cost, quality, speed, and departmentability, product services, flexibility volume. Step market segmentation is there. The measurable, accessible, substantiable, actionable.